Mishika, see what has come.
IKEA!
So where are we going today, friends? We had a great one-day outing at IKEA store. So be with us till the end of the video. Hi Mishika!
Hi! Today we are going to IKEA and I'm very excited. And if you're coming for the first time, subscribe to our channel. And the channel's name is Mishika and Mama's World.
So we are going to IKEA to buy some good stuff for you, right?
Yeah, I'm excited for my bed the most because I'm going to get one bunk bed.
So let's check it out how IKEA looks like.
So here's IKEA. As you can see, it's such a beautiful and big. Oh, India's flag.
Nice parking area, Mishika, right?
Yes.
It's a very big tunnel, Mishika. See?
Wow, yes, it's such a big tunnel. Yay.
Almost there.
Yay.
So Papa booked the slot for us and 3 people are allowed and we have come early.
Ooh, that's good.
Yeah, we can get more time over here now. As you can see, the parking area was quite huge and the people were standing in the queue for their turn to enter the lift. Social distancing and other COVID related protocols were well followed here. IKEA is a Swedish furniture brand and this particular store is spread over 3 floors and 5 lakh square feet area. Anyone coming here can spend 4 to 6 hours easily. See your height first. Yeah, up to 137 centimeters. But it's temporarily closed. Looks nice. So the store has 2 eateries, one on the lower level which is the cafe and on the upper level there is the food court. Mishika was just checking the map to start our shopping. As we wanted to set up a room for Mishika, our main purpose to visit this store was to look around for bunk beds and later order online. The store has huge collection of kids furniture which is difficult to find in any other furniture stores. Mishika really enjoyed exploring all the things which were around her. As there were so many options of bunk bed that we really got confused and we thought of taking a break and headed towards food court. Agree?
Yeah.
So we'll pick up few things. So here's the trolley for picking up. We have to pay there. Which one do you want? Mishika really enjoyed her meal, though the food menu is pretty limited, but we really had a good time eating Indian curry with rice and some Swedish food. As you can see, everything is self-service. Even after eating food, we had to put our plates on the conveyor belt. After finishing our lunch, we went and bought some art and craft stuff for Mishika and she wanted to buy one book. So we even bought that. As you can see, it is Love the Orangutan. It's a very nice book. So they have a different section where you can get some tidbits for kids, some art and craft stuff, and few other things. So do check it out. I can make you eat also.
And I could play also.
There were a lot of options for garden decor and furnitures. Next we went to the lower level, which was the marketplace area. Here you can get some good household stuff and some kitchen appliances. There's a massive warehouse near the checkout counter from where you can pick up the bigger furniture that you would have seen at the display. So we picked up some household essentials and selected our bunk bed, which we later ordered online. So stay tuned with us for checking out Mishika's bunk bed and her entire room setup. Bye for now. So please return your trolley here and we'll come here. Like, share and subscribe.